In this video I'll show you how to replace the battery inside of your Nissan key fob if it's looking like this one. This one is from Nissan Altima, if I remember right. So what you need is a flathead screwdriver or a knife, anything that you can jam right here. There's a slot, you see, and then turn. This way the casing will open in two separate parts. And the battery will be right here, facing down. To remove it, you can use your nails or, again, the screwdriver. Here we go. This one takes a CR2032 3 volts battery. Take your new battery and don't forget to place it facing down and push it back inside. All you need to do now is clip the casing back together, make sure everything is right so there's no water, nothing that goes in. Here we go. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and leave us a like if this video helped you. Thanks.